Are you looking to build healthy relationships? Well, one of the foundations of that is effective listening and showing people that we care about them. In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. Hi everyone, I am Marisa Reyes at The Power Within, empowering health and fulfillment. And I help people go from feeling stuck and overwhelmed to feeling empowered by offering practical strategies, tools, and support to move them forward. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be the first to know about my videos when they come out. To be an effective listener and show people that we care about them, we need to be fully present. Today, I'm going to give you three strategies for being fully present. The first one is to free ourselves from distractions. That means we're going to have to turn our phones off, put them on silent, and put them away. That way it's not distracting us from our interactions with others. Also, that means we're going to have to ignore our Apple Watch notifications as they come through while we're talking with another person. Now, if you're worried about the time, you can set an alarm, and that allows you to give your undivided attention. And the last piece of freeing yourself from distractions is where you sit. So if you are a person who is easily distracted, make sure that you are facing away from doors or walkways or any sort of busy area where people are going by so that you can be totally focused on the person that you're talking to. Number 2, eye contact. For most Americans, this is how we show that we are engaged in a conversation. So that means we need to make sure that we are focusing on the person that we're talking to. Because if we don't, it can turn into a problem. For example, on my wedding day, it was a soul-altering summer day, and we were at the vow part of the experience, and my soon-to-be husband was drenched in sweat, and it was pooling on the end of his nose. And I looked in horror as I watched it forming, wondering, oh my gosh, what do I do? Do I reach up and scoop it off? Will the audience even know what I'm doing? Do I just leave it? And as I'm having this inner dialogue with myself, I, first of all, stopped listening to what was being said, and second of all, broke eye contact, and I actually ended up screwing up my vows and saying the opposite of what I wanted to say. Luckily, the audible gasp from the audience indicated that I had made a mistake, which I easily corrected. But by maintaining eye contact, you can stay fully engaged in what you're doing, both literally and figuratively. Number 3, giving your undivided attention. So do you ever find yourself at a restaurant, perhaps, and a group of people are sitting at a table and every single one of them has their nose in a phone? They're not looking at each other or talking to each other, but they went to a restaurant for a reason together. So keep in mind that you are setting this time aside to connect with people for a reason. That's why we're going to eliminate our distractions. Because if you're not being fully present, imagine how that's making the other person feel. So as Maya Angelou said, people won't remember what you say, they won't remember what you do, but they will always remember how you make them feel. And what you give, you get back. So make sure that you are always putting your best foot forward when you're interacting with others. Want to get more tips on building relationships? You can enter for a chance to win my book on cultivating possibilities using the link below. If you are so excited that you need your book now, there's a link below as well to get your book purchased today. By being fully present, we can immediately improve our relationships and foster connection. I hope you'll join me in creating a culture where we are invested in one another and creating success together. Like getting tips like this for free? Hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe so you get all of my videos. I believe in you. You can do this. I am Coach Marisa Reyes at The Power Within, empowering you, body, mind, and soul. Outdoor recording.